Have you ever wondered how a computer learns? How it knows the difference between a cat and a dog, or how to beat you at chess? Welcome to the enigma that is artificial intelligence, or AI, a realm where machines mimic human intelligence, learning from experiences, adapting to new inputs, and performing tasks that normally require human intellect. From powering the voice assistant on your phone to predicting what movie you'd like to watch next, AI is already a part of our everyday lives. But here's the twist. AI is not born knowing how to perform these tasks. Unlike us humans, a machine doesn't have innate knowledge. It's not born with an understanding of what a cat looks like, or the strategies to win a chess game. So, how does it get there? How does it acquire this knowledge? The truth is, AI doesn't magically know these things. It learns them. But how? Imagine a child learning to walk. It's a process of trial and error, right? AI learning isn't much different. Before we begin, please take a second to hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. Now, let's delve into the actual learning process of AI. You might be wondering, how can a machine learn? Well, it is all about patterns, my friend. Picture this. Every time a toddler stumbles and falls, they are learning. They're figuring out how to place their feet, how to balance, and how to navigate the world around them. Each tumble is a lesson learned. Similarly, AI learns through a method called machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that provides systems the ability to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. These systems learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions, much like a child figuring out how to walk. The more data the AI has to learn from, the better it gets at recognizing these patterns and making accurate predictions. Now imagine the child's brain is a network of neurons, each one firing off signals and communicating with the others. This is pretty much what a neural network in AI does. A neural network is a series of algorithms that endeavors to recognize relationships in a set of data through a process that mimics how the human brain works. This network takes in inputs, processes them in hidden layers using weights that are adjusted during training, and delivers an output. The child's brain uses feedback and adjusts its behavior based on what it learns. This is called an algorithm in AI language. An algorithm is a set of instructions that the AI follows to learn from data. Each time the AI makes a mistake, the algorithm adjusts the system's parameters, allowing the AI to learn from its mistakes and improve its performance. By this point, you may be thinking, wow, learning to walk sounds easier than learning AI. And you wouldn't be wrong. AI learning is complex. It involves a lot of trial and error, adjustments and fine-tuning, much like a child learning to walk. So, just like a child learns to walk, AI learns to recognize patterns and make decisions. But that's not all there is to it. AI learning isn't as simple as, if this, then that. It's a complex process with many steps and a lot of data. Think of AI learning as an iceberg. What we see on the surface, the cool AI applications, are just the tip. Beneath the surface, there's a massive structure of data and algorithms, the real driving force behind the AI's learning process. One of the key points to understand about AI learning is its insatiable appetite for data. The more, the merrier. AI uses large amounts of data to learn patterns, make predictions, and take decisions. It's like a chef, where data is the primary ingredient, and the AI system is the kitchen where all the magic happens. As the AI system processes more and more data, it improves over time. Just like how a pianist gets better with practice, AI systems hone their skills by chewing through mountains of data, making mistakes, learning from them, and improving their performance. It's a never-ending cycle of learn, fail, improve, repeat. And here's where it gets even more interesting. AI can learn to improve its own learning process. Imagine being able to learn how to learn better. It's like a student who not only studies, but also figures out which study techniques work best for them. This is a concept called meta-learning, and it's one of the fascinating frontiers in the AI learning process. But it's not all rosy. AI learning has its limits and faces many challenges. Remember, AI is only as good as the data it's fed. If the data is biased, the AI's learning and decisions will be biased too. Also, while AI can learn and improve, it doesn't understand or think like humans do. It's like a super efficient parrot. can mimic and learn patterns, but it doesn't understand the meaning behind them. So next time you're amazed by what AI can do, remember, it's all down to learning. Just like us, AI learns from experience, from mistakes, and from a whole lot of data.